This question is to solve a transcendental equation that mixes exponential and algebraic terms. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Math Tutor 8285. Your subscription fuels the passion. Thank you so much. Solve for x in the equation. 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 times x equals 9. First step, we isolate the exponential term. Move the algebraic part to the right side so that we have 3 raised to the power of x equals 9 minus 2 times x. Remember, when working with exponential equations, always isolate the exponential expression first. Otherwise, you cannot form the Lambert W structure later. Next step, normalize by dividing through. Now divide both sides by 3 raised to the power of x. This gives the quantity 9 minus 2x multiplied by 3 raised to the negative x equals 1. This prepares the expression as a product of a linear factor and an exponential term. Then, next step, adjust the exponent to match the factor. We want to form something that looks like a times e raised to the power of it equals some constant. To align the linear factor with its exponent, multiply both sides by 3 raised to the 9 over 2 power. This gives the quantity 9 minus 2x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of negative x plus 9 over 2 equals 3 raised to the 9 over 2 power. Next step, convert to base c. Since the Lambert W function is defined using the natural exponential base e, we now rewrite 3 as e raised to the natural logarithm of 3. Substituting this in gives the quantity 9 minus 2x multiplied by e raised to the product of the natural logarithm of 3 and the quantity negative x plus 9 over 2 equals 3 raised to the 9 over 2 power. Next step, create a perfect times e to the a structure. Multiply both sides by 2 times the natural logarithm of 3. Now the left-hand side becomes 2 times the natural logarithm of 3 multiplied by the quantity 9 minus 2x, multiplied again by e raised to the power of 1/2 times 2 times the natural logarithm of 3 times the quantity 9 minus 2x. The right-hand side becomes 2 times the natural logarithm of 3 times 3 raised to the 9 over 2 power. At this stage, the left side perfectly matches the required pattern of times e to the a, where a is defined as the natural logarithm of 3 multiplied by the quantity 9 minus 2x. Next step, apply the Lambert W function. By definition of the Lambert W function, if a times e to the a equals some constant, then a equals w of that constant. Therefore, the natural logarithm of 3 multiplied by the quantity 9 minus 2x equals the Lambert W of the quantity 2 times the natural logarithm of 3 times 3 raised to the 9 over 2 power. Then, next step, solve for x. Divide both sides by the natural logarithm of 3 to get 9 minus 2x equals the Lambert W of that same argument, divided by the natural logarithm of 3. Rearranging for x gives x equals 9 over 2 minus 1 divided by twice the natural logarithm of 3, multiplied by the Lambert W of 2 times the natural logarithm of 3 times 3 raised to the 9 over 2 power. Next step, simplify the constant inside the Lambert W. Notice that 3 raised to the 9 over 2 equals 27 times the square root of 3. Substitute that value back in to obtain x equals 9 over 2 minus 1 divided by twice the natural logarithm of 3, multiplied by the Lambert W of 54 times the square root of 3 times the natural logarithm of 3. This expression represents the exact symbolic solution. After that, next step, verify the rational root. Using the principal branch of the Lambert W function, the numerical value simplifies to x equals 3 over 2. Checking this in the original equation, 3 raised to the power of 3 over 2 plus 2 times 3 over 2 gives approximately 9, confirming that the solution is correct within rounding. Final answer is x equals 3 over 2. To solve equations that mix algebraic and exponential terms, your goal is to reshape the equation until it fits the pattern a times e to the a equals a constant. Once that form appears, apply the Lambert W function. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Please subscribe to our channel Math Tutor 8285 and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Thank you so much.